Did you know that sometimes God chooses the most broken people to become the greatest healers? Meet Zara. She fled Zimbabwe when her life was in danger. She lost everything, her family, her home, her dreams. But God had bigger plans. Now she works as a hospital cleaner in a foreign country. People walk past her every day without seeing her. They don't know she's saving lives in ways they could never imagine. While she mops floors at night, Zara secretly coordinates escape routes for African refugees, families facing deportation back to violence and death. Her own suffering taught her something powerful. She knows the fear, the desperation, the feeling of having nowhere to run, so she became their angel. Using her network from her own escape, Zara has saved hundreds of families. She gives them hope when hope is gone. She shows them the way to safety. God didn't choose the rich or powerful for this mission. He chose someone who understood pain, someone with a heart full of love. Zara proves that our greatest wounds can become our greatest gifts to the world.